What is up guys, Tana this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders for others in Google Calendar. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Google Calendar. And after coming to the Google Calendar, you need to make sure that you choose a date where you want to create the task. Let's say I am choosing this one. Click on a block once, or you can just hover and select multiple blocks. But after clicking once, this pop-up will appear from here. Click on task, and after clicking on task, the task window will appear where you need to add the title, and after that you need to enter the date and the time, and you need to add the description if you want. And when you are done, you can save it in multiple sections wherever you want. And when you're done, simply click on save, and then your task or your reminder will be set in the Google Calendar. So this is how you can set reminders for other in Google Calendar. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.